What is the Dragon Boat Festival? The Dragon Boat Festival is a popular event in China. It is also a cultural heritage celebration. Some think the idea of floating out on boats comes from the search for a famous poet. The poet Xu Yuan died in a river around 278 BC. Many people went out in boats to search for him. Dragon boat racing is the main activity of the festival. Teams of up to 22 members raced large boats down rivers or lakes. Paddlers in the boat race train to paddle very quickly and in sync with other members. The team who wins the race believe they will receive good luck. The best part is that the boats look like large dragons. When is the Dragon Boat Festival? The Dragon Boat Festival is celebrated yearly. It takes place on the 5th day of the 5th month in the Chinese lunar calendar. The festival usually occurs in the late spring or early summer. This celebration has been in existence for over 2,000 years.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.